heads back and hold on to the harness the entire ride, alright?
God.
One more time, remember to keep your heads back and hold on to the harness the entire ride, alright?
Oh shit, man. Alright, lock in. Lock in.
You gotta look up. Jacob, look up. At that, bro.
Hey, back.
Y'all want to tell me your names for the camera?
Huh? Names?
Yeah.
Jacob.
Jacob and...
This is Jackson or Bird.
JL. Bird. His name Bird. Real name Jackson. We call him Bird though. Stop it.
Alright, one more time. Keep your heads back and hold on to the harness the entire ride, alright? Where y'all from?
Nah, fuck that. Fuck that.
Hey, light work.
Light work.
I do this shit.
Light work.
In my sleep.
I do this in my sleep. I do this in my sleep. We
sleep.
do that. Yeah. Okay.
Ooh, okay. A little whiplash.
Oh. I don't like. Oh. Alright. I might pay the 20.
Boy.
I might do it.
Hey, not again, sir.
Oh.
That's good.
Oh.
Hey, we do that.
Oh.
Hey, we do that.
Ooh. Are we up here? Yeah. QB1 right here.
I don't know what to say. Snake just did it.
Me and Bird.
I ain't gonna lie, dude.
Hey, we up there? Yeah. Why is it taking so long?
Doesn't it feel like a fucking spaceship?
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it.
Dude, it's fried.
I don't know how I feel about it.